ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय ईशावास्य उपनिषद. There are 18 mantras in Ishavasya. First mantra is Jnana-nishtha mantra. Second mantra is Karma-nishtha. Those who are incapable of Jnana-nishtha, they are asked to do Karma-nishtha. Through karma, one should attain greater chitta shuddhi, vairagya, and then seek Jnana-nishtha. Third mantra to eighth mantra is elaboration on Jnana-nishtha. Ninth mantra to 18th mantra is elaboration on Karma-nishtha. In this way, 18 mantras are there. Third mantra directly does not talk about Jnana-nishtha, but it talks about Ninda of Avidwan, Avidvad Ninda. So, Avidvad Ninda is indirectly the prashansa of Jnanam. When it is said, don't become Avidwan or Avidwan, let us say, if it is said, Avidwan suffers, Avidwan becomes dukhi, means you don't become Avidwan, means you become Vidwan. That is the whole idea. So we were seeing ye ke atmahano janaha, that part in Tika you see on page number 16 in my book, but in your book it could be different. Second line, उदर भेदिनो अध्यात्माधिकारे प्रसंगाभावात् अशुद्धत्व अध्यासेन तिरस्कार एव आत्महंतृत्वम. What is killing the atma? Atma tiraskara means neglecting atma, not giving the due importance to atma. That the atma means you take Bhagwan or you take Brahma, whatever. So that when it is not given, atma is Ananda Swarupa. Atma's satta gives satta to everything else. Means atma alone is satyam. Not giving that importance and considering anatma is more important, as more relevant. This is called atmahananam. This is called killing atma. So this is the tiraskara itself is atmahantritvam. Ityaha avidya doshena. See in bhashya. Katham te atmanam nityam hinsanti. It is there in the bhashya. Third line on top, in that on 16th page. Katham te atmanam nityam means nityam atmanam. Atma which is nitya. How do they kill that atma? Because atma is nitya. Nitya atma cannot be killed. Katham te atmanam nityam hinsanti. अविद्या दोषेण विद्यमानस्य आत्मनस तिरस्करणात्. अविद्या दोषेण विद्यमानस्य आत्मनः. Atma which is present, but because of avidya dosha, I am doing tiraskara. I am not giving enough importance to that Atma. This Tiraskaranam is called Hananam. Tippani you see on third Tippani which is there on the Vidyamana Shabda. Vidyamanasya iti. Idameva avidyayaha avidyatvam. Yad vidyamanasya avidyamanavat bhava sampadakatvam iti dhvanayati. Anena. Everybody found that Tippani? It should be on your next page. Everybody found? Okay. So, avidyayaha avidyatvam. Avidyayaha, what is the avidya nature of this avidya? Means what is that which makes avidya as avidya? So it is said, vidyamanasya avidyamanavat bhava sampadakatvam. Means what is there as if it is not there. This kind of bhava, when it comes, this is called avidya. Like Rajju is there. Not seeing Rajju as Rajju. This is avidya or avarana. And seeing Rajju as Sarpa is vikshepa. That is second part. In Mandukya language, agrahanam. So, avarana is agrahanam. This is what I should understand. So, avidyayaha avidyatvam. In Bhashya, so vidyamanasya atmanah tiraskaranath. See in Tika. Yatha, he gives example. Kasyachit shuddhasya mithya abhishapo ashastravadha uchyate. Tadvad atmani papitvadi adhyasopi hinsa eva ityartha. Somebody is a pure person. Okay? But to put a blame on person who is really not worthy of blame is called killing that person. Kasyachit shuddhasya, person who is pure. Mithya abhishapa. Abhishapa, 7 number Tippani is given. Mithya abhishapo, mithya kalanka vachanam. Iti yavat. So, person who is pure, and if people say negative things about that person, means you are killing that person. You are killing that person means you will get as much papa by criticizing such pure person as you would get by killing a person. What is the idea here is this. Like for example, if Sita ji is pure and if somebody criticizes her, but she Shuddha, then that person will get this much papa as if it would be killing her. That's the idea. So these tippanis are, throwing the light on this fundamental concept sometimes. Yatha kasyachit shuddhasya mithya abhishapaha. Abhishapa does not mean shrapa. Abhishapa means kalanka. It is called ashastravadha. I gave you example yesterday about Arjuna who had to do this for Yudhishthira. Is ashastravadha uchyate. Tadvad atmani papitvadi adhyasopi hinsa eva. In the same way, to think that Atma is ashuddha, papavidha, aneka, etc., parichinna, this adhyasa is hinsa of Atma. So, ignorant people, they kill Atma basically. 8 number Tippani. Atmani papitvadi adhyasopi hinsa eva iti. Taduktam anyatra api. ये अन्यथा संतम आत्मानम अकर्तारम स्वयं प्रभुम कर्ता भोक्तेति मन्यन्ते ते एव आत्महनो जना इति. Those people अन्यथा संतम आत्मानम, atma which is of otherwise nature, means atma which is nitya shuddha buddha mukta, akarta and swayam prabhu. So atma which is swayam prakasha rupa, sarva samartha. To think of this atma as karta bhokta iti manyante ye te eva atmahano janaha, they are actually killing atma. And Bhagavatam shloka is given. Bhagavate api mayanukulen nabhasvate ritam puman bhavabdim nataret sa atmaha iti. Maya anukulena, Bhagavan says, when I am so anukula, nabhasvata iritam. Nabhasvata means air. This is Tippani number 8 in the same Tippani. Nabhasvata iritam, blown by favorable wind. If a person does not cross this ocean, bhavabdim na taret, sapuman atmaha, that person is killing himself. Means when everything is conducive and if you don't take opportunity to attain moksha, then you are destroying yourself. Means make good use of your time, life, and just get out of it. In which way? So your jnanam should be samshaya viparyaya rahita. Jnanam should not have these doubts also whether I am Brahma or not. Also it should not have viparita bhavana. So now and then if I think I am karta bhokta, that bhava should not be there. Now and then if I think what will happen to me, so you should not worry about it. I am Brahma, and just throw away all the worries. Not to accept this thought that I am victim of karma. I am in the bandhana of karma. Not to allow mind to entertain such thoughts. In fact, you negate the mind itself. Then you are not doing Atmahananam. Otherwise, it is Atmahananam. So, this Viparita Bhavana actually doesn't go until Jagat is understood as complete Mithya. If I give slightest reality to Jagat, then I am Karta Bhokta, because then I am Parichinna, I am within Deshakala. Deshakala itself is Mithya. Deshakala, see in Ekajiva Vada, as I was mentioning in the morning session, Deshakala also belongs to me, means they are in me. In this way, you should entertain the thoughts. See further in Tika. Ajara amaratvadi lakshanoham iti samvedanam abhidhanam. How should I think? I am ajara. I am not subject to kala. Jara means old age. Old age means I am within kala. Maranam means how normally people think, I will go, world will remain. So Amara means world can come and go. I am eternal. I am Ajara Amara. Ajara Amaratvadi Lakshanoham. Repeated thinking of this. You have to remember, nobody will have conducive situation all the time. Nobody. Everybody will always have mixed prarabdha. Something is favorable, then sometimes things don't go as per our thinking. So, what should we do? That is where we have to use Vedanta. That no matter what happens, this is not who I am. This Vyakti, this individual personality is not me. I am Brahman. And the more time you give to this vichara, or more shravanam, mananam you do and entertain this thought, to that extent you will be mukta. You allow the parichinnatva bhava and you get worried about, oh, now this has happened, now that will happen, etc. You are accepting Jagat as Satyam. Then Bandhana will continue. So, Ajara Amaratvadi Lakshano Ham iti Samvedanam. Samvedanam means Jnanam. Samyak Vedanam. Samvedana here means Jnanam. Abhidhanam cha. Abhidhanam means such kind of utterances, mentions, etc. Yat karyam tad hatasya iva na drishyate. Such things are not there for person who is hataha. Hataha means killed. Killed means the one who discards Atma will not say I am Ajara, Amara, etc. And the one who studies Brahma Vidya, entertains, keeps Atma alone as the reality. Then he will say I am Ajara, Amara. Why? Because there is nothing other than Atma. Iti hananam upacharyate. In this way, hanana is upachara shabda prayoga. In Bhashya, Vidyamanasya Atmano Yat Karyam Phalam Ajara Amaratvadi Samvedan Lakshanam Tad Hatasya Iva Tirobhutam Bhavati Iti Prakritaha Avidvamso Janaha Atmahana Atmahana it should be. Let me just Atmahanaha Uchyante. In that book it is Atmahana or Hana? Give me, I'll show. Anybody has Dakshinamurti Math reading? Let me see. Okay, I will check and let you know, but it should be Atmahanaha Uchyante. Janaha Atmahanaha Uchyante. So it should be Dirgha. No? Tanmay is in Dhyana Yajna. No, it will be Hana. Tanmay we want, I know. Janaha Atmahanaha Uchyante. So, Vidyamanasya Atmana, see Bhashya, Atma which is present, Yat Karyam, Phalam, Ajara Amaratvadi Samvedana Lakshanam, this kind of Jnanam. If Atma is there and I have understood I am Atma, then what is the result of that? I am Ajara, Amara, Amritaha, Abhayaha. This is Brahadaranyaka mantra, based on that Bhashyakara has given. 4:4:22 and 4:4:33-34 I think. Tad hatasya iva. So then that person is like hataha, who does not have this jnanam. Hatasya iva tirobhutam bhavati. Person is, that knowledge is hidden. Tirobhutam bhavati iti prakritaha. Avidvansaha, ajnani people, they say this person is killing himself. Atmahanaha uchyante. Further, anybody found?
There is no 30 to 35, there is only 25.
Is it 4, 4? Okay, then 24 you see?
25th.
26.
4, 4, 25th.
Good.
There is no 4.
5th.
25th.
25th.
Yes.
Savayesha Maha.
That Ajaraha, Amaraha, Amritaha, Abhayaha.
4, 4, 25.
4, 4, 25.
Good. It should be in 24 also, I think.
Yes.
Savayesha Mahajana.
No, it's not there.
Atma
25, okay.
Anando Vasan.
So that last one.
4, 4, 25.
Ajaro Amaraha, Amritaha, Abhaya, Brahma, Abhayam, Vai, Brahma. That one. 4, 4, 25.
तेन आत्महननात्.
Atmahanaha uchyante. Tena hi atmahanana doshena sansaranti te. Because of this atmahananam, they undergo transmigration. So atmahanana dosha is nothing to do with any killing of atma, etc. Atmahanana dosha is not knowing and not remembering that I am Brahma. This is called atmahanana. In other words, those who are able to remember, they are great. By such avidwan ninda, vidwan prashansa is done. So it is not easy if you are too much into vyavahara and at the same time you also want to abide in aham brahmasmi. Because that vyavahara will force you to become individual. And that vyavahara will force you to think that jagat is satyam. The more I am into those things. So I should not allow that as much as possible. Tika, last line. Asya atmaghatasya prayaschitta vidhana adarshanat sansaranam eva phalam. And such other killing would have a prayaschitta. Atmahananam, there is no prayaschitta. Prayaschitta vidhana adarshanat. So then, sansaranam alone is phalam. Unless you get the knowledge and you become free. Sansara is the phalam. Atma ghata. Ghata is hananam. Yesterday we saw han dhatu. The gnanti was there, no? That same. What is the sutra? Yesterday we saw.
Yamaha. Kamahana jana khana khasam lopaha ting tiap nang in.
Gamahana jana khana ghasam lopaha. King tyanang. And then ho hanter nirneshu. That ho hanter nirneshu, that sutra makes ha into gha. Good. People are remembering the sutra also. Now, further. Uttara mantram avatarayati. So, fourth mantra and fifth mantra, avataranika is given in Bhashya. Yasya atmano. Atmano is there in everybody's book. Ta is there or missing? Ta is missing, I think. You add atmano. Hananad avidvansaha. Your book should have. That is old edition, so it is perfect. Atmano hananad avidvamsaha samsaranti. तद विपर्ययेण विद्वांसो जनाः मुच्यन्ते. So avidwan, because of atmahananam, they have samsara. Tad viparita, opposite to that is vidwan. They are liberated, muchyante. And that is what we are striving for. Tippani, let us see. Second number tippani. Tippani on viparyayena, that tippani. पूर्व मंत्रे अर्थात अवगतम अर्थम सहेतुकम आह. In the previous mantra, only this much was said. Avidwan has samsara. What about vidwan? It is not said. But arthapatti, arthat means indirectly you understand that jnani vidwansaha na samsaranti. Na samsaranti means muchyante. Vidwanso janaha muchyante. That is given there in the bhashya. So it is not from the previous mantra, but arthat. That is what Tippanikar says. Arthad avagatam artham sahetukam. Why do they get liberated? Because they are vidwan. Te na atmahanaha in bhashya. Te na atmahanaha. So they are, maybe atmahanaha is okay, I think. Dvitiya bahuvachanam. Atmahanaha is Dvitiya bahuvachanam. Tena atmahanaha. Tat kidrisham atmatattvam iti uchyate. What is the nature of that atma? So now from fourth mantra onwards, fourth and fifth mantra, nature of atma. Sixth mantra, nature of jnanam. Seventh mantra, jnana phalam, jivan mukti. Or you can say sixth and seventh, both are jivan mukti. But seventh is explicitly what is the nature of jivan mukti. Clear. And eighth mantra, again, Atma Jnanam and Atma Jnana Phalam. So, main thing from 4 to 8 is the nature of Atma, the nature of Atma Jnanam and Atma Jnana Phalam. They are described. अनेजदेकं मनसो जवीयो नैनद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षत् तद्धावतोऽन्यानत्येति तिष्ठत् तस्मिन्नपो मातरिश्वा दधाति The nature of Atma is given Ekam. Atma is only one. And it is Anejat. That Atma which does not have Ejri. Ejri Kampane Dhatu. So, Kampanam means movement. Anejat means that which does not move. That which does not have Chalanam. एज्री धातु इज फॉर कंपनम. अनेजत एकम आत्मा मनसो जवीयः. दिस आत्मा इज फास्टर देन माइंड. जवीयस इज द प्रातिपदिका. So, सकार वृत्व विसर्ग जवीयः means fast, very swift is called javiyah. Enat. Enat means, where is enat? First of all, you find where is enat.
Na enad deva.
Na enat devaha. What is enat?
Atma.
Enat is which vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. Enat is dvitiya. Enat atmanam deva na apnuvan. Devatas cannot attain, reach Atma. एषः एतौ एते. Then एतत् एनत्. द्वितीया एकवचन एतत् एनत्. Both are there. So this is एनत्. एतत् शब्द द्वितीया एकवचन in पुल्लिंग. Apnuvan, na apnuvan. Devatas could not attain it. Kasmat purvam arshat, because it was already there first. See, it is faster than mind, and Devatas could not attain it because it was already ahead of them. Purvam arshat. Rishati gachati. Rish dhatu is for gamanam. So, it went before all of them. This is simple meaning. Devatas means presiding deities over Indriyas. Indriya Devatas. And Manaha, mind. So, the Indriyas and mind cannot attain Atma. That is the meaning. Indirectly it is said it is faster than mind and Devatas could not catch him, could not attain him because he is faster than Devatas. But what is implied is you cannot know Atma through mind, you cannot know Atma through sense organs. This is the main meaning. In other words, pratyakshena anumityava yastu payo navidyate. That which is not known through pratyaksha pramana, that which is also not known through anumanam. Then how will I know? Through Veda pramana. How will I know through Veda pramana? What? Huh? Atma is aprameya. Aprameya, how will it become known through Upanishad? So in two ways you can explain. Huh?
Guru Upadesha.
Guru Upadesha, but how, what will Guru do if Atma itself is aprameya? This I have explained.
By removing the avidya that is covering the
So what pramana will do is, pramana is not going to do Atma Prakashanam. Pramana will do avidya nivritti. Good. avidya nivritti is the prayojanam of pramanam here. Or you can say in different way that there will be vritti vyapti, but there is no phala vyapti. So when we say Atma is aprameya, it is still aprameya because there is only vritti vyapti, brahmakar vritti will happen, but phala vyapti is not there. So this first line of this mantra should be understood in this way. Then second line we will see, and bhashya etc. we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।